As you know, owning a car in Singapore is not exactly cheap. You need to pay a lot of money for the COE, car maintenance, petrol, insurance, and other car-related expenses. But you can still save some money on parking. If you happen to live in an HDB flat or want to park in an HDB estate near your office or your house, then you can apply for an HDB season parking pass to save some money. In this video, we will discuss how you can apply for a season parking, how to renew it, and how you can transfer your season parking if you choose to do so. First of all, what is HDB season parking actually? Well, it's basically a subscription that allows you to park your car or motorcycle within a certain HDB car park group at any time. With the season pass, you no longer have to display parking coupons on your dashboard. The cool thing is, you don't even have to live in that particular HDB to apply for the season parking pass. Even if you live in a condo nearby or your office is near there, it doesn't matter. You can still apply. The next question is, well, how do you apply for a season parking? Like anything else in Singapore, you can just apply for it online. You can use your SingPass to register via the HDB e-service website, or you can also use their HDB's mobile app. But whichever method you choose, for the initial registration, you'll need to pay it either by credit card or direct debit from your bank account. For credit card, they only accepted Visa and MasterCard, so you cannot use American Express. While for direct debit, the application support DBS, UOB, OCBC, Citibank, and Standard Chartered Bank. Again, those are just for the initial registration. For renewal, you can apply to pay by gyro, which will save you 2% rebate for every successful transaction. For car parks with low occupancy rates, booking starts from the first day of the month. But for car parks with high occupancy rates, this is where things get a little bit tricky. They have what they call this priority group concept. So basically, the first priority will be given to vehicles where the owners do live or work there, and they'll basically able to book starting the first day of the month. The second priority is for the second and subsequent vehicles of people who live or work there, which they can apply for the pass starting the 18th day of the month. And the third priority would be the non-residents, or you basically only rent a room in that HDB instead of the whole unit. The third group can only apply starting the 21st day of the month. The monthly season parking charges itself differs based on location and the type of car park you applied for. I'm going to flash the price list here. Feel free to pause the video and take a screenshot if you need the data. Or you can click the link in the description down below to go to the relevant HDB site. By the way, if you want to know which HDB parking lots are available, you can use this e-service where you can basically search by block and street name or by car park number. Click link in the description down below to see more details. Okay, now let's talk about how to renew the season parking pass. You can renew your season parking pass up to 12 months, but it is still subject to your eligibility and the availability of the parking lots. You can either renew it automatically or manually. If you want 2% rebate, you can pay by gyro scheme. Alternatively, you can also set recurring payment by your credit card. These methods let you automatically pay your fees every month, so you don't have to worry about forgetting to renew your season parking. Alternatively, you can also renew your season parking manually every month by one of these three methods below. The payment method for renewal via the e-service and mobile app is the same as the application. You can pay either by credit card or direct debit. Do note that you'll be charged at a full month's rate. So if you renew your season parking later in the month, say on the 15th of June, you'll still have to pay the monthly rate even though you can only use it from 15th to 30th of June. So make sure that you pay at the beginning of the month so you don't miss out. Okay, now let's talk about HDB season parking transfer. So there are two types of transfer, permanent or temporary. You can do permanent transfer for HDB season parking if, let's say, you're moving to a new house, or you bought a new car, or you've upgraded your motorcycle to a car. You can apply for the transfer via the mobile at HDB app. Just note that if it's a company vehicle, then you'll need to submit a letter of authorization from the company. And of course, if you change the type of vehicle, let's say from a motorcycle to a car, then you'll have to top up for the transfer. If you just need a temporary transfer of maximum 31 days, you can do it as well. People typically apply for this if, let's say, you got into an accident and temporarily using a different vehicle while your car is being repaired, or if you need to park in a different location because your house is being renovated or you're staying with a family member, etc. Again, to apply, you can use the mobile at HDB app. Note that they'll ask you to top up if you are changing to a car park with a higher season parking rate, for example, from a surface car park to a multi-story car park. But the catch is, if you are changing to a car park with a lower rate or do not utilize the full temporary season parking subscription, you will not get any refund. So I hope that helps, guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below if you want to request another topic. Bye bye!